Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a specific section in the bookstore.
Which section are you trying to find?
I am looking for the mystery and thriller novels.
The mystery section is at the back of the store.
Thank you. Is it a very large section?
Yes, it takes up 3 whole bookshelves.
That is perfect. I love reading a good mystery.
Are you looking for a specific author today?
I don't have a specific author in mind right now.
We have many new releases on the display table.
I prefer reading classic detective stories.
Have you ever read anything by Agatha Christie?
Yes, I have read almost all of her books.
She is definitely the queen of mystery writing.
Do you have any recommendations for me?
If you like classic mysteries, try this author.
What is the name of the book you are holding?
It is called The Shadow on the Wall.
Is it a new book or an old classic?
It was written in the 1920s.
That sounds exactly like what I want to read.
The story takes place in an old English house.
I love stories about big, old, creepy houses.
It is very suspenseful and difficult to guess the ending.
I will definitely take a copy of this book.
Do you prefer hardcover or paperback editions?
I prefer paperback books because they are lighter.
Yes, paperbacks are much easier to carry in a bag.
And they are usually cheaper than hardcover books.
We have a lot of paperback copies on the shelf.
I will grab one right now. Thank you for the recommendation.
You are very welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Actually, I also need to buy a book for my niece.
How old is your niece?
She is 8 years old and loves animals.
The children's section is on the left side of the store.
Can you show me where it is?
Just follow me past the magazine racks.
Wow, this section is very colorful and bright.
We try to make it a fun place for kids to read.
Do you have any books about horses or dogs?
We have a whole shelf dedicated to animal stories.
That is exactly what I need.
This book about a brave little dog is very popular.
What is the title of the book?
It is called The Adventures of Max the Puppy.
The cover illustration is very cute.
Yes, the pictures inside are also very beautiful.
Is the reading level okay for an 8-year-old?
Yes, the vocabulary is perfect for her age group.
I will take this one for her birthday gift.
She will definitely enjoy reading about Max.
While I'm here, I also want to look at language books.
Are you learning a new language right now?
Yes, I am trying to learn basic Spanish.
The foreign language section is on the 2nd floor.
Let's walk up the stairs together.
Be careful, the stairs are a bit narrow.
I am holding on to the handrail.
Here we are on the 2nd floor.
This floor is much quieter than downstairs.
Yes, people come up here to study and read in peace.
Where are the Spanish learning books?
They're right here next to the dictionaries.
Do you have a beginner's grammar workbook?
Yes, this workbook is excellent for beginners.
Does it have exercises and answers in the back?
It has many exercises and a full answer key.
That is very helpful for studying alone at home.
It also comes with an audio CD for pronunciation practice.
Oh, listening to native speakers is very important.
I highly recommend this complete study course.
Okay, I will add the Spanish workbook to my pile.
You are buying a very interesting mix of books today.
Yes, a mystery, a children's book, and a textbook.
A book for every mood and occasion.
I love spending time in bookstores.
It is very easy to lose track of time here.
I could browse these shelves for hours.
There's always something new to discover.
Before I pay, I need to find a bookmark.
We have many different bookmarks near the cash register.
I always lose my page when I use an old receipt.
Using a real bookmark is much better for the book.
Let's go downstairs to the checkout counter.
I will carry your books for you.
Thank you. The Spanish workbook is quite heavy.
Here is the display of bookmarks.
Oh, there are so many fun designs.
We have magnetic bookmarks and paper ones.
I like the magnetic ones because they don't fall out.
That is a very practical choice.
I will choose this one with a picture of a cat.
That cat looks very funny wearing glasses.
Yes, it made me smile. I will buy this one.
Are you ready to pay for everything now?
Yes, I am ready. Let's ring them up.
I will scan the barcodes on the back of each book.
First is the mystery novel.
The mystery novel is $14.
Next is the children's book about the puppy.
The children's book is $10.
And the heavy Spanish workbook.
The workbook is $25.
Don't forget the cat bookmark.
The magnetic bookmark is $3.
So what is my grand total for today?
Let me press the total button for you.
I hope it is not too expensive.
Your total comes to $52.
Do you have a store membership program?
Yes, we do. Are you a member already?
No, I'm not. How does it work?
If you sign up today, you get a 10% discount.
Does it cost money to join the program?
No, the membership is completely free.
That sounds like a great deal. I will sign up.
I just need your name and email address.
My name is Alex, and my email is alex@email.com.
Let me type that into the computer system.
Will you send me a lot of spam emails?
No, we only send one newsletter a month with book recommendations.
Okay, one email a month is perfectly fine.
Your account is now active, Alex.
So what is my new total with the discount?
With the 10% discount, your total is $46.80.
That saved me over $5.
Yes, being a member is definitely worth it.
I will pay with a $50 bill, please.
Here is your change, $3.20.
Thank you. Let me put the coins in my wallet.
Would you like a bag for your books?
Yes, a paper bag would be great.
We charge 10 cents for a paper shopping bag.
That is fine. Here is a dime for the bag.
Thank you. I am putting the books inside now.
Please put the heavy workbook at the bottom.
Yes, that will keep the other books safe.
I am very excited to start reading my mystery novel tonight.
I hope you figure out who the killer is.
I usually guess wrong, but it's still fun.
The suspense is the best part of reading a mystery.
And I hope my niece likes her birthday gift.
I am sure she will ask you to read it to her.
I would love to read the puppy story out loud.
Reading to children is a wonderful experience.
Now I just need to find the time to study Spanish.
Just practice for 15 minutes every day.
Consistency is the key to learning a language.
Exactly. A little bit every day makes a big difference.
Thank you for all your wonderful help today.
It was a pleasure talking with you.
I will definitely come back to this bookstore soon.
Please do. We always have new books arriving.
Have a great rest of your shift.
Thank you. Enjoy your reading, Alex.
I will. Goodbye.
Bye. Have a lovely afternoon.